following message has been transmitted at the request of His Majesty's government. Legend 008 has caused mass devastation to the entire United Kingdom and most of its overseas territories. In addition, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has been confirmed to have been converted after a mass attack on Downing Street, rendering His Majesty's government as unfunctional and officially null and void. The royal family have also been confirmed to be converted, with His Majesty King Charles III last sighted transformed into a hoplite soldier and rampaging across London. The whereabouts of the Duke of Sussex are unknown at this time. The Chancellor of the Exchequer, Jeremy Hunt, has been drawn and quartered in a public execution outside the Houses of Parliament. The cities of Liverpool, Edinburgh, Plymouth, Cardiff, and Belfast have been occupied. Parts of Glasgow, Manchester, London, and Newcastle have been converted as well. Intelligence from within France suggests that gladiators and mages are preparing to detonate a large conversion bomb above the Eiffel Tower, which is capable of releasing waves of magic that can convert entire continents. The bomb is expected to explode in 24 hours. Once the bomb explodes, Britain will be lost. We cannot be saved. We will already have been claimed by Legend 008. Our nation will suffer a grisly and violent death as our history is torn apart and distorted. Thank you for your cooperation.